Good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! How's everybody doing today? Well, I am at the beach. Yay! I'm in what is this? Caleta de Fusta, and I'm at the Atlantico beach. And let me give you a view on how it looks. It's really pretty. Ah, who's that?
My name is Shalana.
Yes. So we'll be spending our mornings here, or our morning today here, or afternoon. It's afternoon almost. And afterwards we will go and play some tennis, and then who knows, maybe have a lazy day. Yesterday was exciting, going on the boat trip, and yeah, today will be a little bit more relaxing. Tennis and beach today. So yes, this is a very nice beach to go to. It's surrounded by hotels, but as you see, it's not a whole lot going on. Not really. But we have beautiful weather, so that's what counts.
We have the green flag.
Yes, we have the green flag. Where is oh yeah, the green flag. That means that you could go into the water, and it also means that it's not so much currency or current. Sorry, currency. Current. Okay, guys, stick around, and don't forget to like this video if you like it. Give it a thumbs up, and if you want to hear more from me, subscribe. I would love to have some new subscribers and show you all, share with you all my life and what's going on, and my different experiences, and hopefully I can also help somebody in their experiences by sharing my experiences and my opinions on what I think, and yeah. Okay guys, see you in a bit. Ciao.